It turns out he's not my mate, and this is on camera as well. Basically, he robbed me. He turned up here with a balaclava on.
Right.
Stole my NOS kit. Right. So after the last episode on the 15, and I was messing around with the fuel system, and then at the end of it I said I was going to change it, put some bulkhead fittings in. Well, I did. I don't know if you can see it down there. Pretty much a couple of bulkhead fittings, and then sort of repositioned everything in the back here, so it all kind of fits a little bit neater. So yeah, I'll sort of show you how I change that. Oh no, I won't actually, but yeah, so new bulkhead fittings and then new pumps and everything, so that's all sort of finished now. And then for some reason I decided to do this. So I stripped the rear subframe back out again because I wanted to put my GTR diff back in, so GTR diff and my shafts and everything, and take the GTS T diff out. So whilst I was doing that, there was something that I noticed on the back here, which happens on most S bodies. So here actually fouls on the camber arm. So if you're running your car a bit lower, then you actually have to take this sort of bit of a lip off here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to sort of trim this out and then patch that back up. So that's both sides. Over this side, probably see it a little bit better here. So yeah, pretty much I want to just take this out and just sort of neaten this up. And then the other thing as well is my fuel lines, because I've finished the bulkhead fittings and stuff. I'm just going to P-clip all the fuel lines up now and get all that sort of side of things finalised all the way under, so everything's sort of tucked up out of the way and looks a lot neater. So yeah, pretty much that's what I'm up to today on this, which I might just time lapse a bit of it because my welding is useless. But yeah, don't take the piss.
Yes, and then I'm just going out here now to wash my fucking boots.
Fucking twat. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, is time lapse all that, and then hopefully I can put all the rear assembly back in, which has been out about 3 or 4 times now, for the last time. And then I'm getting ready for mapping, so do all that, subframe back in, and then yeah, I'll see what the next piece is of the puzzle. But yeah, I didn't really need to do this, but I've done it now, so I'm committed. And diff in, maybe, we'll see. Right, so GTR diff is in, and it probably took me about sort of maybe 4 days to get around to finishing all them bits that I said I was going to do. So kind of just time lapse things in between because bits of other things were going on and everything else. So yeah, everything's back in, and I've got all the bulkhead fittings now, and then all the bits that I wanted to do, and yeah, because I made a bit of a hole there, didn't I? So that's now fixed. And then the clearance here, so I had to do a bit of clearance on for the camber arms, so now the camber arm should, in theory, move all the way up, and still got loads of clearance. So yeah, that's done, that's good. Probably be able to see it a little bit better this side. So yeah, and then you can see my bit of a patch that I put in up here. And again, so that should go all the way up, and if I'm squatting that high, then something's probably wrong. So yeah, everything's in, GTR diffs in. Also, I did the fuel lines as I said I was going to do. I'm not sure how much of that you can see, but oh my god, it's moving. Right, maybe I shouldn't go underneath that. Oh. Yeah, okay. Might have to sort that. Right. So, yeah, pretty much a bit of faffing around, and took me about 4 days to do it, but it's kind of done. So what am I left to do now? Rest of the bits now for mapping, and oh my god, right, okay, yeah, need to sort that. But yeah, and then I'm probably going to mount my seat next and my hydro, because that's where that's going to go. So yeah, I'll probably get around to that next. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything that's been done under here now. So that's all done. Fuel system and everything's done. Water lines are all done. So yeah, it's just ticking things off. It just takes time and yeah, motivation. But it's kind of back now. So I'm going to finish it. So next time I'll probably be running it ready for mapping. Scary thought, but yeah, getting somewhere.